It's Walmart time, Grateful Gang. Let's go to Walmart. It's Wednesday. Why not? Let's see what the new arrivals are, what they have in the store. I like his truck. I ain't even gonna hold you. I like how old school it is. Yeah, I gotta watch this traffic because these people crazy. But y'all, let's go in Walmart and see what we can find. Let's go! Y'all, this stuff has went down. This is like $12 online, and I believe this was like $12 as well. Y'all, so this whole outfit, less than $25. Remember when it was higher, much higher. This jacket is also on sale. I'm gonna make sure I tag everything, y'all. I'm not gonna go ahead and scan everything just because it's never the same price everywhere. As a matter of fact, if you go in your store, it's probably cheaper. But these are really, really cute. They got a lot of these, so it makes it seem like it didn't sell very well. However, they don't have none of them in my size. Ain't that crazy? What size is this? Extra large. I can't fit that. Yeah, y'all, I done ran up on some clearance stuff. They don't have the blue one though. Remember they also had this in blue? Y'all, one of my favorite dresses. Oh my goodness. And they got it in my size. What is it? How much is it? Let me see. Oh gosh, see, this is why I'll be wanting to scan everything. This is, oh, $20, but $10 in the store. Huh. Yeah, I might have to snatch this one because, y'all, I love this dress. I don't know why, but it's definitely a great summer find. But y'all, the clearance is clearancing, okay? I love when Walmart has that, y'all. I be so excited. I be so excited about the clearance items. I love it. Y'all, let me run through all these tags so I can show you what's worthwhile. Okay, this is $10 in this store, okay? But it's $20 online. So I will tag it, but I'm just letting you know it's not going to be the same at every store. So you can go to your store and say it was $10 at this other store. I don't know if they're gonna honor it. I don't know. I can't tell you. But this is a deal to me because just because I love this dress. I never did try it on though, so I want to make sure that I can fit it. But I love this dress. Okay, so these are $9 in the store, $20 online, $22, something like that. I didn't realize that they did all this. This is okay. That's not a pocket. I don't know why they put that big old patch and tricked me. Now this is a pocket where you can put your cell phone in it. Seemed like that would go this way, but no. This is like some for real carpenter pants. These are cute though. If you can get to your store, you might get them for $9. But again, not in my size, not on they watch. They is not gonna participate. But y'all, that is just mainly clearance for free assembly, y'all. I had to go through it. Some of this stuff is not that cheap. This dress is $22. Now I have been showing y'all this one. This one I was excited because I thought it was I thought it was like cheap, $11 or so. But no, they want $36 for this. This should not even be here. As a matter of fact, I don't know where it's supposed to be, but it ain't supposed to be there. This though, $22. This is an adorable dress, y'all. And then this is also on clearance, but not that cheaper. I think it was like 18 or something. I'm not really for sure, but not cheap enough for me. But all this stuff is clearance. Dope. Just too small for me anyway. This is an extra small, so they didn't have that many. So yeah, guys, still super cute. All right, let's go through and see what Free Assembly got for new. Yeah, are these blue bananas? This is a cute skirt. This is a real cute skirt, y'all. I don't actually know what to pair it with that's here because, oh, I guess they want you to pair it with this banana shirt. Ain't that cute? You like that? It goes with this. No? It's a little bit off because it's just a small green amount in here, but I guess it don't have to be matchy, right? I like it though. I think that is so cute. The pink one has a pineapple. Oh, awesome. And that would not match at all. But yeah, that is really, real deal cute. I love that. Super cute. Now, of course, it would match with this sweater, this pineapple sweater. But we're going to come back to that because I love that sweater. But guys, this skirt was sitting here all by its lonely self. So I wonder, is it even in the right spot? It's $26 for the actual skirts, and dresses are going to be $38. The shorts are going to be $24, and sweaters are going to be $20. Now look at this one, y'all. I'm loving this sweater, and you know, I would wear it off the well, can you? I don't know, but this is cute, y'all. It's a thick sweater. Listen, I want this sweater, don't get me wrong, but I'm gonna wait on it because Free Assembly seems to put out clothes so often, and I think that's the reason why they go down in price. And look how many are here. I mean, they got a lot. Is this black? No, that's navy blue. So yeah, they got so many of them, it makes me think that they're gonna be here. Now, don't go off of what I'm saying because I don't know what I'm always talking about. I'm not always right, okay? But that is cute. Cute little shirt jacket type of situation. Yeah, it's not stretchy at all, by the way. Not at all. It's that what is it 100% cotton? I don't know, but it's that hard type of fabric, like, remember the old school sheets, kind of like that, to match with these drawstring pants. And these pants go all the way down. I thought they were going to be high water a little bit. I think that they will, actually. So I wonder, are they kind of like cropped pants? I don't really like this. I don't really know if I like that. And then I do like the top, but I would probably wear this with some jeans or something. Super cute though. I don't know if I like the pants with it. I don't want to be striped so much. But y'all, I love this. And then this is pretty too. Now this is also stretchy. Love it. I mean, this is not giving sweater, but it's still $24. It's kind of high. So yeah, this is probably something that I would relax and wait on as well. They also have it in the navy blue. I love this, y'all. And that stretches. It's very elasticy right there. So now this is not, but the way they have it smocked, it is. Love it. Love it. I wonder how that would sit on your chest. Like, I think that would be so cute. You probably have to wear the bra straps tightened in the back to where they're like clenched so that they'll be in like that. But this is so cute. I love this one and I love that one, y'all. They really, Free Assembly really got some cute stuff. Like, these are dope. Yeah, I love this beaded sweater. Oh my goodness. Y'all, again, I get it. I definitely believe that Walmart Free Assembly line is worth the price, but I want everything. You know what I mean? So it's like, geez, am I about to spend $200 on just a whole new Walmart wardrobe? Yeah, and the heaviness to it. You definitely can't go way in with this outfit on because it's heavy. This sweater is heavy, probably from all the beading and stuff like that. This stuff is adorable, y'all. I love that. So here's the navy. So their colors right now is like giving navy and white and green and pink. But I love this one. This is so adorable, y'all. Like I said, they $24 for the sweaters. I'm gonna make sure that I tag each and everything. But this is stuff that I would like to wear to work. Like, to be honest with you, I couldn't do both because it's really giving the same concept, same brand. But I would love to wear this with like just a nice pair of jeans or something. Even the ones like that they have right here. Super cute, y'all. Super cute. Nice pair of shoes, a cute bag. Oh my goodness, adorable. Now, I've been seeing this dress online. I think I only got one left, child, but it's super cute, y'all. It has pockets. I'm not into this for real. This just looks like I'm about to put this on, hike it up, sit on a barrel. Not to go against any of our farmers, we appreciate y'all, but it looks like I'm about to churn butter in that, period. Like, it's giving butter churner. It gave butter churner on the line, online. I said on the line. I sound like I'm about to be 50. On the line. Y'all be getting on the line. I'm about to be talking like that, y'all. I can't wait. I'm about to have seniority. I'm about to have all kinds of, I can do this because I'm older. I'm waiting for the perks, y'all. I was here for the perks. You know how you let old people get by with stuff and they can get away with saying whatever? That's about to be me. This is not quite butter churning, But it's not me. It's still not me. Even at 50 years old, I still want to wear the little no boundary skirts. I don't know when that's gonna end. Y'all gonna be 70 years old in little bitty skirts like I'm 15. I am. Don't be mad. All right, y'all. That is pretty much it for free assembly. I was looking for this skirt. I want this skirt. You see what I'm saying? It's not giving 50 years old, but I want this skirt so bad. I love that. And I will definitely make it work with something, with pretty much something here. But I love that. But y'all, bye.